Hey y'all, welcome back to FlyafterFifty, no spaces. I'm your Fly Doc D, and I'm back with another video. Y'all, I had a request. I had a request for the Rich palette, the one by Beauty Bay. I had a request to do a 3 looks, 1 palette, which I've never done. I mean, it takes me a while just to figure out 1 look. But I'm going to do it. Here's the Rich palette. I have the Big Mama one with the 42 shades. Those are the shades. They are so beautiful. The thing is, I just got to figure out what to do. So this is going to be either a voiceover or music over fast forwarded video as I try to do this look. So I'm going to do 1 look on 1 eye, another look on the second eye, and then the third look will be the look on both eyes, which I'm going to wear for the rest of the day. So y'all, let's get it on. I'm nervous. Okay. right, y'all, I'm back. Here's my finished look. Y'all, this was so much fun to do 3 looks in one. I thought it might have been too much on my eyes, but ended up pretty good. So yeah, that's the finished look using this Beauty Bay Rich palette. My first impressions of it is very nice. It has great colors. I can't swatch this whole thing, but I'm thinking you really don't need to get this big 42 color palette. I mean, I think it's 16 would be enough. I just had FOMO, so I didn't want to miss out on any other colors. But you do not need this whole thing. But it was so much fun. Beauty Bay's formula is really good. I really like to use it. So yeah, that was so much fun. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I appreciate all of you. It's November 1st that I'm recording this. So happy November 1st. I can't believe we're at the end of the year already. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I will see you in another video.